Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another haul. So this time I'm doing a collective haul, a Nykaa, Purple, Myntra and Mamaearth collective haul. So if you guys want to know what all I got for myself, please keep on watching, and if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe and also hit the red bell button right next to it so that you get all the notifications whenever I update any video. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have this huge box with me. This is from Nykaa, by the way. I threw all the boxes away because it was taking a lot of space. I bought things randomly from here and there based on only on the discount. So if I saw Nykaa selling one product for 175 rupees, I saw Myntra selling it for 130 rupees, which is great. So I should probably buy it from Myntra, right? Okay, so first of all, I bought 3 things from Mamaearth's website, and this is the first thing that I got. This is the Mamaearth onion hair mask, and I saw good reviews on this, and my hair is actually literally very dry and rough, but I don't really mind that because as long as I have hair on my hair, like, I am blessed. But yeah, this is the thing that I bought, and oh my god, it is really thick, you guys. I have never tried Mamaearth's hair mask, and I saw good reviews on their onion hair mask, so I bought that. And the next 2 things were combo things. This is the Mamaearth Upton combo that had Upton face mask and Upton face wash. This mask I came across on a YouTuber's page, and I really saw good reviews on this one. So this is supposed to give you a glowy skin. Also, it helps removing your tan if you have tan. I have got tan all over my body. You can see the difference, like the contrast. Okay, so here it is. This is how it looks like. It looks and smells, actually it smells like chandan, turmeric and saffron. So yeah, I will use it and let you guys know. Probably I will do a review on this. Let's see. Okay, so that I got, and this is the face wash. You guys know it already. I use it all the time, so I ran out of it and I bought it again. So yeah, these are the 3 items that I got from Mamaearth's website, and I got flat 20% discount on each and every product. So moving on, I got 2 things from Purple. One is this cute nail color. It is in the shade Manhattan's Macaron, and the second thing is this Caffeine coffee body scrub. So along with this, I got some sample things. This is the scrub. I really love these cute little jars. Like, look at them, they're so cute and so tiny, and I keep collecting them because I just love them. So I liked the scrub so much that I bought it in the big size. So this is how the scrub is. Like, it is a huge jar, and this is also a glass jar, and it comes also with sorry so it comes with a spoon like this. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's a wooden spoon if I'm not wrong, and it says Caffeine, and it just really shows that they really think about their packaging, and they're really doing great job with their packaging and everything. So I really love this scrub. Okay. Moving on, now I got Caffeine products again, and this time I got them from Myntra. This is the first thing that I got from Myntra, Caffeine green tea face wash. You guys know probably from the earlier video that I really like to use green tea face wash from Caffeine. I had actually recommended few of my friends to try this face wash, and they actually bought it, and yeah, I was really happy that they took my recommendation seriously and they bought it. So yeah, this face wash is amazing. You can use it every time. I generally use the Upton face wash in the morning and this one in the night, because that's what works for me the better way. And I also got this serum, caffeine serum. I was running out of the serum. I am using this serum currently and I am in love. This actually makes your skin really hydrated. With my recommendation, actually my two of my friends bought this serum and they actually fell in love. So that's the huge thing. And also the best thing is that I got a huge tub of this Choco body butter just for free. Like, can you guys believe it? No, I couldn't. But they sent me this, and this is actually one of my favorite products. I use it in the winter and it is amazing. It smells like chocolate and coffee, and the product is really good. Like, you get around 250 grams of product in this and it was just for free. Oh my god, I'm so happy because it's my favorite thing. Like, all the items that I got for free, they are all my favorite. The only issue though is the cap is a little broken. If you guys can see, like, this is just little broken, but I can totally work with that. I mean, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now comes the Nykaa products. Okay, so the first thing that I got from Nykaa is this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown, 02 dark brown, and it comes with this little spoolie, and this is how it looks like. I have used it and I will swatch it for you guys. This is how the color looks like. I hope you guys can see. It's pretty dark and it's good for my brows actually, and this was only for like 100 or 150 rupees, and this was really inexpensive. And also I got another eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire, and this is in the shade coffee brown. This comes with a brush kind of thing on top, and if you open the cap, this is the product. This is a little lighter than the previous one. This is the shade, and I got this for my mom because she has a really thin eyebrow, so I got this for my mom and this for myself. Next I got kajal. This is the Nykaa IM 24/7 kajal. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Okay, so I am running out of kajal anyway, so I got this Nykaa kajal, and it was for rupees 299 and I got it for 249 rupees, and it is really pigmented, it's really dark, and also it's waterproof. This is how it looks like. And I also got the Nykaa 199 kajal, which is like, the price was 199. So I also got the kajal for my mother-in-law and she loves it. So the next thing that I got from Nykaa is this Biotique Bio Cucumber toner. You guys know it by now. Like, I am all about this toner. Like, this is probably my 12th bottle now, and I've been constantly using this like anything. Next I got this Pantene Pro Vitamin oil replacement open hair miracle, and I got this solely because I had this rough hair and I had to manage my hair, and it is supposed to give you a non-frizzy kind of look. This is supposed to be an oil, right? But in the reviews I saw many people, like, they were saying that they used it as a conditioner, as a leave-in conditioner, and that is exactly why I bought this. I want to use it as a leave-in conditioner only because I use the Indulekha Bringer oil before shampooing my hair. So yeah, I needed a serum or a leave-in conditioner anyway, so I bought. Next thing that I got is this Khadi Natural hair cleanser. You guys have seen it in my previous video. I bought it and I used the first bottle, and this is the second bottle that I'm gonna use, because this shampoo really helped me in reducing my hair fall. Like I was suffering from really bad kind of hair fall issues. So this is the shampoo that I was using in the previous 2 months, and I got really like noticeable results. Yeah, I think this is a very good shampoo. It does make your hair dry, but nonetheless I think it's a good product. It is supposed to be paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free, which is amazing, so you can definitely try that one. Okay, so the last thing is this lip scrub. I know a lot of you guys probably don't use lip scrub. I didn't use lip scrub in my life, never. But when I saw some YouTubers saying that lip scrub is really good for your lips, it just makes your lips look more healthy and plump, and I really wanted to try some lip scrub, and I saw the Milani lip scrub and the MAC lip scrub, and they were like out of my budget. They were like for 1200 and 2000 something, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna spend this much money on just a lip scrub. And so I came across this ENN lip scrub, and this is the Candy Floss lip scrub, and it's really amazing. I have used it twice. You see this is pink, and it really after using this you will see a little hint of pink tint on your lips, because it really leaves a pink tint on your lips after you apply this. So it doesn't make your lips dry, it doesn't feel very irritating on your lips, and it is going to last a long time, I think, because the quantity is pretty good. And yeah, you can totally try this. So yeah, that was it, and those are the things that I bought from Purplle, Myntra, Nykaa and Mamaearth. I just forgot everything. Okay, yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and share this video, and do comment down below